Welcome to Apt Romantico con chimenea con fibra óptica y terraza. For easy booking, scan the QR code now displayed on screen, or find the link in the description below. Welcome to a charming retreat nestled in the heart of historic Segovia, Spain. Apt Romantico con chimenea con Fibra optica y terraza is a delightful 3-star hotel offering an enchanting escape perfect for couples and solo travelers. This lovely hotel combines modern comforts with a touch of romance, featuring a cozy fireplace and a private terrace, ideal for unwinding and soaking in the stunning surroundings. High-speed fiber optic internet is available throughout, ensuring you can easily stay connected while enjoying the serene ambience. Check-in is a breeze, starting from 3 p.m., allowing you to settle in comfortably. Checkout is conveniently scheduled until 12 p.m., giving you plenty of time to savor your stay. The hotel has a child policy, and children are not permitted to stay free of charge. Additional fees may apply for younger guests. This hotel is the perfect base for your Segovian adventures, whether you're exploring the rich history or simply seeking a romantic getaway. Guests at Apt Romantico benefit from complimentary Wi-Fi throughout the entire property, ensuring you can effortlessly stay connected. Each suite also includes a washer, a refreshing pool, and a convenient kitchen. Don't forget to scan the QR code on screen again, or find the link in the description below to book your stay at Apt Romantico con chimenea con Fibra optica y terraza today.